everyone, on this occasion I will present my portfolio. My name is Nathania Clarisa Arivo. You can call me Nathania or just Nat. Now I'm studying at Christian Duta University majoring in product design. I live in Yogyakarta since I was born. My strong character is fast at doing something, brave, honest, can be trusted, interested in trying new things, perfectionist, and clear cut. The software I usually use to create design is Photoshop, CorelDRAW, AutoCAD, 3ds Max, and Canva. For me, making something new with creativity is fun and challenging. Product design teaches me to make things with the process so it can be more interesting to enjoy every process. My focus is to make some breakthrough item that can be useful. I think something that changes or make life easier can be more appreciated and curve a history or new development breakthrough in the future. I want to make a product that not only look at aesthetic factors but also from a usability that can change someone's life to be easier. My experience while studying in product design is make something new based on culture in Indonesia. I choose Noken from Papua because it has many data in social media, so it can make me easier to find an inspiration. At the final product, I made a tote bag with combined material. My responsibility is to make respondent feel welcome in my product. If it is work, I hope that other people want to collaborate with me. But for other people, I want them to be interested in the work I've made, learn from the experience I live, know my background, and also be an inspiration. The product I made last semester was Noken. Noken is a traditional bag from Papua that has already been forgotten because it can develop the era. So I think it can be an opportunity to carry out. The name of the product is Noken Modern Tote Bag. The function of the product is to carry an item that is larger than the bag because it can thread compactly to the item. The tools that were used in the project are combining two materials between cordura and knitting thread with patterned fishnet so it can stretch. The specifications for the bag are orange and brown for the color, the height is 330 mm, the width is 250 mm, and the fabric and thread materials. A product that can expand at the front and sides so it can accommodate large objects. The product can be used by carrying it or sling it because it has a strap that can be adjusted. I act as a designer who develops traditional products into more modern ones and as a bag craftsman myself. I used about 4 months to create this product during the learning period of the craft product design course in semester 4. At first, I was looking for a tradition that I would use as the medium. Look for as complete data as possible regarding the tradition, what is unique, what can and cannot change, and how it was developed nowadays. Designing a model that suits a target market, making model mock-up to check whether the mechanism is working properly or not. Once everything is safe, then make the product that was the initial goal. The challenge I face is how to add a distinctive character to tradition so it can remain visible and irreplaceable. The way to overcome this is to ask native Papuans directly whether this bag reflection the modern version of the Noken or not. The color used still do not reflection the Noken. The stitching patterns is not too neat, and the folding technique and the elbows has not yet been implemented. What I learned from making this product is how to develop product based on existing tradition. Not only does it imitate a pattern or model, but it can also convey the characteristic of the origin of the tradition. For example, Noken is initially brown because it comes from their tree fiber. This product is considered to be more similar to our present Noken as a bag from Papua with the placement of color that trend to the streaking such as red, yellow, and green. This semester, I designed a read diffuser product with the Arivo brand, which not only focus on the product but also how to market the product. The use of the reed diffuser is to make the room smell elegant with the aesthetic appearance of the ceramic itself. I was inspired to create this product because aromatherapy can express feeling or even relieve problems such as stress. Very useful for teenagers who are focused on studying or even working. Marketing will also be done on a subscription basis so that fragrance refills will be sent every month according to the aroma or atmosphere that consumers will create when they are indoors. When I first thought about aromatherapy in the reed diffuser, I thought about how to promote it differently from others, and the idea emerged to make a fragrance based on people's personas with a monthly subscription system. Key features of the reed diffuser are functionality, not only as aromatherapy but also an aesthetic display with a simple appearance that can make a room more beautiful. Reusability, the ceramic container can be reused after the liquid runs out with refill which will be sent every month. Washability, ceramic can be washed if you want to change the scents the following month so the scent doesn't mix. The concept that will be offered, especially in the market process, is subscribing for a certain period of time. Make it easier for consumers to get their fragrance every month. Just fill in the data and survey to get a refill from the next month. When consumers have made a monthly subscriptions for a certain times, they will get a bonus in the form for a discount or freebie in following month. Consumers can also determine their preferred aroma so that new aroma will be created for each consumers. The challenge I face is how to make a reed diffuser that is different from existing ones, but in terms of product and marketing so that target consumer will feel more interested in subscribing. So far, I'm still looking for how to find something new that will be interesting more among public. Moreover, I'm still using surveys and research to find out in more details on the target market so that product will become a new viral thing, especially in Yogyakarta.